Today, I will show you how to add WhatsApp floating button in WordPress. Here you can see no WhatsApp button is here. First, go your WordPress dashboard and open plugin. And click Add New Plugin. Then search for Click to Chat plugin. Install it and click Active to manage setting. Return to plugin dashboard and select Click to Chat setting. Then you have to add number of which you want to use for WhatsApp button. And then write call to action message. And then select style which you want, and it is visible on right hand side at bottom. And in mobile URL structure, select WhatsApp by default, hit select to WhatsApp web. And click Save Changes and refresh the site. And WhatsApp button is visible on left-hand side at bottom. If you find my information helpful, then subscribe to TechBand.